This so-called bolder-than-most rapist has been arrested again for violating the terms of his release. ABC 10 News reporter Ryan Hill was there as Alvin Quarles faced a judge.
Alvin Quarles is heading back to a state hospital until a judge decides if his release will be revoked. Today, Quarles was back in the courtroom after he was booked into jail a little more than a week ago by the San Diego County Sheriff's Office for that release violation. To catch you up on Quarles' history, the 63-year-old was convicted of a string of rapes, robberies, and burglaries in 1989. He was sentenced to 25 years before undergoing treatment at a state hospital. Last December, a San Diego County judge announced that Quarles would be allowed back into the community as a transient release after he finished a sex offender treatment program and upon recommendations by specialists who have cleared his release. The conditions of his release were around-the-clock supervision and to wear a GPS monitor. According to the Megan's Law website, Quarles' last recorded address was at a home on Zuni Trail in Borrego Springs. The San Diego County Sheriff's Office tells ABC 10 News Quarles had his conditional release revoked by Liberty Healthcare, which is contracted by the state to run the sexually violent predator, or known as SVP, conditional release program. Back in the courtroom today, the district attorney's office tells me it's not able to go into the details of how or why Quarles violated his release. I spoke with one of Quarles' victims before today's hearing. She says it doesn't come as a surprise to her that we are learning he violated a condition of his release.
And he likes to think he's smarter than everybody else in the room, particularly the police. So I'm hoping that the good that comes out of this is that they will revoke his conditional release and put him back, not in prison because his prison sentence is over, but back in a hospital setting where he will be supervised 24/7 and not left to make his own choices.
Quarles' next court date is set towards the end of January 2026. On that date, a judge could decide to revoke his release or schedule it for another hearing down the line. Reporting in downtown San Diego, Ryan Hill, ABC 10 News.